Hi guys, these are my two new cocktail pairs. Today I am trying to uh, I am trying to do a friendship with them. Inshallah soon I will make them friends. Hi, I will call them with the name of Sonu and Monu. Sonu Monu. Sonu Monu. I think it's a male and I will call him Sonu. I think it's a female. I will call her Monu. Hi Sonu Monu. These are my friends with the name of Sonu Monu. Sonu and Monu. Hi my friends. Sonu Monu. Sonu Monu. Sonu and Monu. What is this Sonu Monu? I don't know what is this. Sonu Monu. I think there is something wrong. I think there is something wrong. Sonu Monu. Sonu. There is something in her legs. What is this? I think something wrong with her legs. I don't know what. But I am watching something in her legs. Hi Sonu Monu. Sonu, be my friend please. I want to do a friendship with you. With both of you. Will you be my friend? Sonu Monu. Sonu Monu. Sonu. Sonu. Hi Sonu. Sonu Monu. Naughty Sonu Monu. Okay guys, good night.